Hi everybody, welcome to my channel, Rosie Cooks. So I'm gonna make some homemade jam, strawberry jam. What's the difference between jam and preserves and jelly? Jelly is made with fruit juice, jam and preserves are made with chunks of fruit. So that's what we're gonna make, some strawberry jam. It's a really easy recipe and you can give this out for Christmas gifts. So let me show you how I'm gonna make it. So I wanna show you this jar. Okay, this is a jar that I bought some jam. Okay, I bought some jam, I kept it. And I just liked it because it has all the sketching. It's really nice. So just use one of your old jars that you have from jam that you've bought at the market. Okay, so I'm gonna use this. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to boil it for 15 minutes to sterilize it. And that's kind of important. So try to do that first, okay? Do that with one of your old jars. So here's my strawberries. I'm using 2 cups of strawberries and I'm removing the stems and that little root inside there. And then I'm gonna give them a rough chop. Okay, like this. Next, I'm gonna get a saucepan. I'm gonna add my strawberries to my saucepan. I have it on a medium flame. I'm adding half a cup of sugar. Most of these recipes for jam have a 1-to-1 ratio, 1 pound to 1 cup of sugar. This one has a little bit less sugar, but I'm gonna tell you, my family loved this jam. But if you wanted to add a little bit more sweetness, you could add more sugar. You could experiment if you want. So I have this on a medium flame and I'm cooking them for 25 minutes. Okay, and then I'm gonna add the juice of half a lemon. That is in place of pectin. I'm not using pectin in this recipe. Pectin is a preservative. It makes it last longer. The juice of half a lemon will do the same thing. So now it's been 10 minutes and I'm gonna mash my strawberries. But you wanna leave some lumpiness to it because you want some thick pieces of fruit. It's just nicer. So I did boil my jar for 15 minutes. So now I'm gonna remove it from the water and place it to the side with the lid. So now it's been a while and my strawberries are really bubbling up. You'll see it have a film. Just continue to cook it. The film will dissolve after a while. Now this is 2 teaspoons of cornstarch mixed with 1 tablespoon of water. And that is basically just gonna be a thickener. Now it thickens anyway, but this just gives it a little extra thickness. So this jam comes out really, really good. Now I'm gonna put it in my little jar, and if you put a bow on this, you could really just give it out as a little gift if you wanted to. It's really delicious and it never lasts at my house. So this is homemade strawberry jam. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe and I will see you next time.